Very good morning to all of you and very warm welcome on this Sunday morning. Thanks to Nazneen for that introduction and to BIC. It's always a pleasure to come back here. I will be sharing some songs of Meera, as you know, this morning. And Meera lived in the 16th century in Mewar. And as you know, she was a princess. So we'll go through her story slowly between songs. What everyone knows Meera for most obviously is her devotion to Krishna. So that's where we will begin, and slowly we will unfold all her other shades as well. So this first song says, Jamuna kinare mero gaon, saavare ai jaiyo. She's sending her GPS to Krishna. In case he has difficulty locating her, this is where my village is. I'm here by the river waiting for you. Come. Jamuna kinare mori unchi haveli, main brij ki gopika naveli. So I have this beautiful house by the river Yamuna. What is the beautiful house? She didn't have anything actually. She's a yogini. So what is this beautiful house that she's talking about? This is the beautiful house. She has made her house beautiful for Krishna. And then she can say confidently, my house is beautiful, come. And now I'm like a gopika in Braj. There is no difference between me and those gopis who used to dance with you. Radha Rangili mero naam, and I am Radha herself. I am no less than Radha. So he has to come. Then she says, Murli sunke main bhai re diwani, sudh budh khoi chain gawai. I heard the call of the flute and I have become intoxicated. And I've lost all my senses, all my sanity, all the usual normal ways of being. Dhyan lagyo hai tero naam. Now the only thing on my mind is your name, your sound. In the end, she says, Meera ke Prabhu Girdhar Nagar, bhaag khule re mere tumko paakar, charan tihare mero dham. So Meera's Lord is Krishna. And I found you. She has found him. And she says, my destination is at your feet. Can you raise the tambura? I don't hear the tambura. Actually raise the whole thing a little bit. Yeah. Jamuna kinare mero gaon. Jamuna kinare mero gaon, Jamuna kinare mero gaon, saavare ai jaiyo saavare, saavare ai jaiyo saavare. Jamuna kinare mero gaon, जमुना किनारे मेरो गाँव सांवरे आई जइयो सांवरे ए सांवरे आई जइयो सांवरे ओ जमुना किनारे मोरी ऊंची हवेली ओ जमुना किनारे मोरी ऊंची हवेली मैं ब्रज की गोपी का नवेली जमुना किनारे मोरी ऊंची हवेली मैं ब्रज की गोपी का नवेली राधा रंगीली मेरो नाम राधा रंगीली मेरो नाम सांवरे आई जइयो सांवरे ए सांवरे आई जइयो सांवरे जमुना किनारे मेरो गाँव जमुना किनारे मेरो गाँव सांवरे आई जइयो सांवरे ए सांवरे आई जइयो सांवरे ओ मुरली सुन के मैं भई रे दीवानी सुध बुध खोई चैन गवाई मुरली सुन के मैं भई रे दीवानी सुध बुध खोई चैन गवाई ध्यान लग्यो है तेरो नाम ध्यान लग्यो है तेरो नाम सांवरे आई जइयो सांवरे ए सांवरे आई जइयो सांवरे जमुना किनारे मेरो गाँव जमुना किनारे मेरो गाँव सांवरे आई जइयो सांवरे ए सांवरे आई जइयो सांवरे के प्रभु गिरधर नागर भाग खुले रे मेरे तुमको पाकर मीरा के प्रभु गिरधर नागर भाग खुले रे मेरे तुमको पाकर चरण तिहारे मेरो धाम चरण तिहारे मेरो धाम सांवरे आई जइयो सांवरे ओ सांवरे आई जइयो सांवरे जमुना किनारे मेरो गाँव जमुना किनारे मेरो गाँव सांवरे आई जइयो सांवरे ए आई जइयो सांवरे, 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 आई जइयो जमुना किनारे मेरो गम. Thank you. Jeevan, can you make it a little sharper and also raise and the monitor I don't hear very well. So we all understand Meera as a figure of devotion and surrender, but that's not the only thing. So the next song, I learned it from Mahesha Ramji, who lives near Jaisalmer in a village called Chhatnagarh. And in this song, Meera expresses delight. So this is a song of pure delight and joy. So we understand sometimes that surrender is difficult, or surrender, I can't understand what surrender is, or what does she mean of letting go of everything. What gives us the strength to surrender? It is this joy. It is this delight. She is not surrendering from a place of weakness or incompleteness. It's when you feel full of love, full of joy, full of delight, then you can surrender, because that connection, that is the surrender. So in this song, she says, Maragya buharu, phulda bichhaun, Krishan jira darshan, paya hari aaj. I sweep the path clear and I prepare it with flowers so that he can come. So you see, all this preparation is necessary for Krishna to come. Krishna wants to come. We don't let him. He wants to come. We are stopping him. But she is preparing the path. She is preparing her beautiful house. And today I have found a glimpse of my Krishna. Then she says, Papayo hoi abha ma baithi, abheri ghor suhai hariaj. I became a papiha and I went and sat in the cloud. And the thundering of the cloud pleased my heart. Bhamaro hoi, phulda ma baithi, phuldari sugandh suhai hariaj. I became a bee, a buzzing bee, and I sat on the flower. And the fragrance of that flower pleased my heart. So she's taking delight in everything in the world. She has not renounced the world. Actually, she is, for the first time, experiencing the world. Koyaliyo hoi baga ma baithi, baga ri khushbu suhai hariaj. I became a koyal and I went and sat in the garden, and all the beautiful fragrances of the garden pleased my heart. So she's full of delight in this world, in the world of the senses, through which Krishna manifests. So she's not rejecting anything. All she's rejected is all our insane social conventions and norms which prevent Krishna from coming. जी आंसुअन जल सींच के निम प्रेम बेली बोई, प्रेम बेली अब फैल गई और आनंद फल होय. I watered this creeper with my tears. And we'll come to her tears later in the next songs. So she watered this creeper. But now this creeper has flowered. And now is full of fruit and flowers and joy and delight. मारगिया बुहारू फुलड़ा बिछाऊं रे मारगिया बुहारू फुलड़ा बिछाऊं रे कृष्ण जी दर्शन पाया हरि आज गोविंद जी दर्शन पाया हरि आज मारगिया बुहारू फुलड़ा बिछाऊं रे मारगिया बुहारू फुलड़ा बिछाऊं रे कृष्ण जी दर्शन पाया हरि आज गोपाल जी दर्शन पाया हरि आज बामा बैठी रे पपयोई बामा बैठी रे भारी गोर सुहाई हरि आज भारी गोर सुहाई हरि आज मारगिया बुहारू फुलड़ा बिछाऊं रे मारगिया बुहारू फुलड़ा बिछाऊं रे कृष्ण जी दर्शन पाया हरि आज मोहन जी दर्शन पाया हरि आज बैठी रे भमरोई फुलड़ा माँ बैठी रे फुलडारी सुगंध सुहाई हरि आज फुलडारी खुशबू सुहाई हरि आज मारगिया बुहारू फुलड़ा बिछाऊं रे मारगिया बुहारू फुलड़ा बिछाऊं रे कृष्ण जी दर्शन पाया हरि आज गोविंद जी दर्शन पाया हरि आज बागामा बैठी रे कोयलियो होई बागामा बैठी रे बागारी खुशबू सुहाई हरि आज बागारी सुगंध सुहाई हरि आज बोल्या बाई मीरा गिरधर ना गुण बोल्या बाई मीरा गिरधर ना गुण चरणामा शीस निभायो हरि आज चरणामा शीस निमायो हरिया मार गया बुआरू फुलड़ा बेचाऊ रे मर गया बुआरू फुलड़ा बेचाऊ रे कृष्ण जी दर्शन पाया हरिया गोविंद जी दर्शन पाया हरिया गोपाल जी दर्शन पाया हरिया मोहन जी दर्शन पाया हरिया. So, how did she water this creeper with her tears? So, part of the reason for her tears was her family. So, Meera's story, we don't have a lot of historical facts, but legends, just like in Kabir's case and in many other poets' cases, we have a lot of legends and myths. So, what we seem to know through these legends is that Meera was born in a Rathore Rajput family. And she was married at a young age to a king, Bhojraj. And but the story says that when she was a child, she saw a wedding procession passing by, and she asked her mother what this is. So she said, "This is a wedding, and the girl is going to her husband's home." She said, "Who will be my husband, or who is my husband?" So her mother tells her, "Krishna is your husband." And she takes that to heart. So from that moment, Krishna is her husband. So she is married off, but she always considers Krishna as her husband. So she is married to this king, but after a few years, the king dies in battle. So she's a widow. And that's for her a good opportunity to leave. So she leaves the palace, and she becomes a yogini, and she starts wandering around, hanging out with sadhus and singing bhajans. Now she comes from a royal family. So the royal family is very upset that this princess is doing all these kinds of things. And the other thing is that the brother-in-law usually marries the widow. So the brother-in-law, who's now the king, he wants to marry her, but she's not interested. She says, "My husband is Krishna." So first he tries to marry her, to persuade her, to convince her, and she's not interested. And then, because of the family name and whatever respect or whatever they call it, Loklaj, they try to get rid of her. So Meera has to face a lot of persecution, just like all these other poets. Kabir too in his life faced a lot of persecution. Anyone who goes against the norms faces something. That's why most people don't go against the norms. That's the mechanism in which society keeps us. Stay where you are. Stay in your lane. So, but she doesn't care. Why? Because she has found her divine. That gives her the strength. So in this next song, she says, "Chittorgarh se utri Meera, rang bhar Rana ji ho raj." She has left Chittor. She has left the palace. Rana ne pakadyo haath Marwadna. And the Rana, the king, is trying to stop her, but she is going. Then, Zehar piyalo rane bhejiyo. Dijo Meera baire haath. So they send her a cup of poison disguised as a charnamrit, so that she will drink it. So she drinks it. Zehar piyalo, Meera pi gayi. Ban gayo amrit neer, and nothing happened to her. That poison could do nothing to her. So that failed. Then what did the Rana do? Saap tiparo rano bhejiyo. In a basket of flowers, he sent a cobra, a snake. दीजो मीरा बायरे हाथ, सांप टिपारो मीरा खोलियो, बन गयो नवसरियो हार. So she opened this basket and the serpent became a necklace around her neck. Can you put it off? Because it will ring again. Then this also failed. So, बिच्छुओ रो बटुओ राणो भेजियो. So they sent her a very nice purse. उसके अंदर स्कॉर्पियन. बिच्छुओ रो बटुओ मीरा खोलियो, बन गयो फूल गुलाब. So by Mirari Vinati, Guru milya hai Ravidas. So in many of, so she has the strength not only of Krishna, she also has the strength of her Guru. And in many of her songs, she invokes the Guru Ravidas. We'll come to Ravidas a little later and the story there. But she has the strength of her Guru, she has the strength of Krishna, and nothing can harm her. So she has no fear. And she's ready to face anything that they throw at her. But till you have this connection, till you have this love, till you have this strength, till you have this surrender, till you have this joy, I advise you not to drink cups of poison. But once you have it, you won't have any fear anyway, so you won't listen to anyone's advice. ए जी मीरा कहे राणा, हूँ तने ना वरूं, तू आज जिए कल मरी जाए, हूँ वरूं अपने सांवरिया वरने, मारो चुड़लो अमर हुई जाए. Meera says, "O king, I'm not interested in marrying you. You live today, you'll die tomorrow. I will marry my dark beloved, and then my marriage will be eternal." चित्तौड़गढ़ से मीरा उतरी, ओ रंग भर राणा जी, ओ राज रंग भर राणा जी, ओ राज. राणा ने पकड़ो हाथ के मारवाड़ मां, राणा ने पकड़ो हाथ के मारवाड़ मां. जहर पियालो राणे बेजियो जी, रंग भर राणा जी, ओ राज रंग भर राणा जी, ओ राज. जी जो मीरा भाई रे हाथ के मारवाड़ मां, जी जो मीरा भाई रे हाथ के मारवाड़ मां. जहर पियालो मीरा पी गई, ओ रंग भर राणा जी, ओ राज रंग भर राणा जी, ओ राज. बनी गयो अमृत नीर के मारवाड़ मां, बनी गयो अमृत नीर के मारवाड़ मां. सांप टिपारो राणे भेजियो जी, रंग भर राणा जी, ओ राज रंग भर राणा जी, ओ राज. जी जो मीरा भाई रे हाथ के मारवाड़ मां, जी जो मीरा भाई रे हाथ के मारवाड़ मां. सांप टिपारो मीरा खोलियो जी, रंग भर राणा जी, ओ राज रंग भर राणा जी, ओ राज. બની ગયો નવસરિયો હાર કે મારવાડમાં, બની ગયો નવસરિયો હાર કે મારવાડમાં. बिच्छुओ बटुओ राणे भेजियो जी रंग भर राणा जी ओ राज रंग भर राणा जी ओ राज. जो मीरा भाई रे हाथ के मारवाड़ माँ, जो मीरा भाई रे हाथ के मारवाड़ माँ. बिच्छुओ बटुओ मीरा खोलियो जी रंग भर राणा जी ओ राज रंग भर राणा जी ओ राज. बनी गयो फूल गुलाब के मारवाड़ माँ, बनी गयो शालीग्राम के मारवाड़ माँ. बाई मीरा की बीनती हो रंग भर राणा जी ओ राज रंग भर राणा जी ओ राज. गुरु मिला है रविदास के मारवाड़ माँ, गुरु मिला है रविदास के मारवाड़ माँ. चित्तौड़गढ़ से मीरा उतरी हो रंग भर राणा जी ओ राज रंग भर राणा जी ओ राज. राणा ने पकड़ो हाथ के मारवाड़ माँ, राणा ने पकड़ो हाथ के मारवाड़ माँ, राणा ने पकड़ो हाथ के मारवाड़ माँ. So the next song is also about Rana and Meera and Rana and their what's going on between them. So this next song is in the shape of a story, very interesting story. And Meera has left the palace, like I shared before. So she's wandering around, and she's disturbing the whole peace, the whole social setup, and all the norms and conventions, and everyone is very upset that this princess is going around like this. And Rana, of course, all his attempts at getting her poisoned also have failed. So in this song, the story begins, and it says, Suto re Rana ji sukh bhari neend. So one night he was sleeping peacefully in his palace, but then he had a dream. Suto re Rana ji na sapno avyo, and this dream disturbed him. So what did he see in this dream? Sapno Ranaji al janjal. Very disturbing, nightmarish dream. Meera ro dekhije bhagave bhesma. He's seeing Meera clad in saffron, like a yogini. And it's very disturbing for him. Chadiyo Ranoji adhori adhrat. In the middle of the night, he sets out because he's so agitated. He mounts his horse, he has his sword. Javno Meera re desma. I'm going to go and find Meera wherever she is. Samyo miliore gayora gawal. On the way, he meets a cowherd. Mari gyo bataide Meera re desro. And he asks her, tell me, where is Meera? Have you seen Meera? So this cowherd, he tells him, Javo Maragyo Gad Girnar. Go on the way to Girnar in Gujarat, which is a holy hill, and all the sadhus congregate there, and she might be there, so go there. Jivno Jave Meera re desme. And that's how you will arrive at Meera's country. So then Rana is going towards Girnar. And then he sees something, and he says, Sami Midya Sadhari Sangat. And he sees a huge gathering of sadhus. Beech mein aave re Meera nachti. And in the middle of this congregation, Meera is there. She is singing and dancing. So this drives him even more mad. He's even more enraged. So who's the happy one in all this? The king or the yogini? You can see their state of mind. One is a king, but he has no peace whatsoever. The other one has nothing, but still she has everything. Then, so he, Ai Rana ji ne rees. Huge rage and anger bubbles up in Rana, in the king. Suvan Katari Rane ji Kadiyo. And he draws his shining sword and is going to kill her himself because all the other attempts failed. Bhai Meera ji sehes hazar. Kaire Meera ne Rano Maryo. So Meera became 1,000 images. Suddenly he is seeing 1,000 Meeras in front of him. Which Meera will he kill? He can't see anymore. He's seeing Meera everywhere. So many Meeras. How many will he kill? Bolya Meerabai Girdargan, Dori Lagi Hari Re Namari. How did this miracle happen? Because I am connected with Hari. So again, we think these are all miracles, and they are for us. Because in our world, this would not happen. But we don't know what happens when you become that. And there is no use talking about it. Once you become that, you will know. Once you become Meera, then you will know how you become 1,000. So I love this song because I love the whole story behind the song. ए जी लोक लाज कुल कान तजी मैं अब काई कर से कोई मीरा के गिरधर गोपाल अब दूसरा न कोई. ये सब लोक लाज कुल का मान ये सब मैंने छोड़ दिया. I have nothing to do with all these social respectability and blah blah blah. Now what can anyone do to me? I don't even care about my life. What can someone take from me? I already got everything. So how can anyone harm me? When you're in that state, really no one can harm you. तोरे राणा जी सुख भरिनी ओ जियो रे राणा जी सुतो रे राणे नो सपनो आयो हरिया ओ सुतो रे राणे जी नो सपनो आयो हरिया. सपनो राणो जी आल जंजाल ओ जियो रे राणा जी मीरा रो देखी जे भगवे भेस हरिया ओ मीरा रो देखी जे भगवे भेस हरिया. आधोरी अधरा ओ जियो रे राणा जी जावणो मीरा रे देश माहरिया ओ जावणो मीरा रे देश माहरिया सामी मेड़ियो गायो री गवा ओ जियो रे राणा जी मार्गियो बताई दे मीरा रे देश रो हरिया ओ मार्गियो बताई दे मीरा रे देश रो हरिया जावो मार्गियो गढ़ गिरना ओ जियो रे राणा जी जीवनो जावे रे मीरा रे देश माहरिया ओ जीवनो जावे रे मीरा रे देश रो हरिया सामी मेड़िया साधारी संगा ओ जियो रे राणा जी बीच में आवे रे मीरा रे नाचती हरिया ओ बीच में आवे रे मीरा रे नाचती हरिया आई रे आई राणे जी नारी ओ जियो रे राणा जी सुवन कटारी राणे जी काड़ियो हरिया ओ सुवन कटारी राणे जी काड़ियो हरिया भई मीरा जी सहस हजार ओ जियो रे राणा जी कई रे मीरा ना राणे जी मारसी हरिया ओ कई रे मीरा ना राणे जी मारसी हरिया बोल्या मीरा बाई गिरधर गान ओ जियो रे राणा जी डोरी रे लागी रे हरि रे नाम री हरि राम ओ डोरी रे लागी रे हरि रे नाम री हरि राम ओ डोरी रे लागी रे हरि रे नाम री हरि राम। So leaving the palace was not the only social convention that Meera was breaking. She took Ravidas was her guru. Now there is some dispute whether Ravidas lived in the same era or not. It doesn't matter. She considered him her guru, even if they never met, or maybe they met. We don't know. But in many songs, she calls Ravidas her guru. And Ravidas belonged to the Chamar community, which means leather workers. And they are untouchables, so-called untouchables in the caste system. And that's like even more agonizing for poor Rana, who's suffering a lot. At this point, you begin to feel sorry for Rana, not for Meera, because she's having a good time, and he's suffering. So she repeatedly calls Ravidas her guru, and she's a princess, so she's a Rajput, so she belongs to a so-called high caste. And Ravidas is a very important Nirguni Bhakti poet like Kabir, and there is a whole sect after him called Ravidasyas. And his verses are also in the Guru Granth Sahib. And he talks about the Naam or the Shabd and the meditation of the sound, which is the Nirguni path. So Meera is traversing both these worlds. She is not confined to either the Sagun path, which is worship of a particular god in the form of Krishna, and the Nirgun, which is practice or devotion without any particular god. Pure sound, pure energy, connecting with the divine in the abstract. Well, not abstract, but in the universal sense. So she's straddling both these worlds. And in this, and also Meera became such an iconic figure, just like Kabir in Indian culture is such an iconic figure, that now there are many Meera songs which we don't know if Meera wrote them or Meera sang them, just like Kabir, because people keep composing new Meera songs. And Meera is a living entity, alive. People talk about her today. And the Rana's name no one remembers. Even I have a hard time remembering what was his name. I just know he's a Rana, he was a Rana. So she's breaking all these boundaries. And she's also a woman at that time. So she's a woman, she's a princess, she's a high caste woman who's taken a so-called low caste person as a guru. She's left the palace, she's become a yogini, she's wandering around alone as a woman. She's singing, she's dancing. All of these things are prohibited in their whatever clan. So she's breaking all kinds of norms, but not in order to break them. She's not setting out to make a political statement. She is making a political statement just by her being, because she has found something much more powerful, much more alive, much more joyful. And she also only doesn't talk about, there is this misconception that she's only talking about surrender and bhakti and no, she also talks about practice. So the next two songs are about practice. And actually, this next song is a very well-known song. You're all welcome to sing along if you know it. And this is Saanson ki mala pe simru mein pee ka naam. So she's talking about the practice of breath. Constant awareness with the breath. Apne man ki main janu, pee ke man ki raam. I can only take care of my practice. She's not doing it for results. Whatever happens, she lets go. But she's focused on her practice. Apne man ki main janu. So I have to take care of my mind, my heart, my practice. And the song is very interesting because, well, there's divided opinion because apparently it's not a Meera song, but everyone sings it as a Meera song, so we will also sing it as a Meera song. But it's apparently by a poet called Tufail Hoshiarpuri. But it doesn't matter because everyone sings it as a Meera song. And Nusrat also sang it as a Meera song. So then she says, प्रेम के रंग में ऐसी डूबी, बन गया एक ही रूप. I drowned in the color of love in such a way that everything became one. शाम की माला जपते जपते आप बनी मैं शाम. By taking the name of Hari, I myself became Hari. So there is no distance between me and Hari. We are not separate from each other. I am Hari. And Hari is all powerful. That's where she gets all her strength from. प्रीतम का कुछ दोष नहीं है, वो तो है निर्दोष. Now what happens when you fall in love? You go a little cuckoo. You must have all experienced it yourself. And then you start behaving in strange ways. And then people start commenting, oh, he's fallen in love or she's fallen in love. And it's because of him that she's behaving like this. So they start blaming the other person. So she says, Pritam ka kuch dosh nahi. It's not his fault. वो तो है निर्दोष. अपने आप से बातें करके हो गई मैं बदनाम. Just by my own practice, my own dhun, with my own craziness, I have become outcast. People don't understand. People don't accept me as I am. I don't care. She really doesn't care. Then she says, प्रेम पियाला जब से पिया है, जी का है ये हाल. Now she's drunk the wine of love. And she says, since the time that I've drunk the wine of love, such is my state, जी का है ये हाल, अंगारों पे नींद आ जाए, कांटों पर आराम. I can sleep peacefully on a bed of coals, and I can walk or rest peacefully on a bed of thorns. All these coals and thorns, they don't. What are these coals and thorns? All the things that the world is throwing at her. They just don't touch her anymore. She's gone beyond them. So, and where does she get the strength to bear all this? It's from the love, the cup of love. She has drunk from the cup of love. सांसों की माला पे, सांसों की माला पे, सांसों की माला पे सिमरूं मैं पीका नाम. सांसों की माला पे सिमरूं मैं पीका नाम. सांसों की माला पे सिमरूं मैं मन की मैं जानूं और पी के मन की राम. सांसों की माला पे सिमरूं मैं पीका नाम. अपने मन की मैं जानूं और पी के मन की राम. सांसों की माला पे सिमरूं मैं पीका नाम. सांसों की माला पे सिमरूं मैं पीका नाम. प्रेम के रंग में ऐसी डूबी, प्रेम के रंग में ऐसी डूबी, प्रेम के रंग में ऐसी डूबी, बन गया एक रूप. प्रेम के रंग में ऐसी डूबी, बन गया एक रूप, बन गया एक रूप. शाम की माला जपते जपते आप बनी मैं शाम, सांसों की माला पे सिमरूं मैं पीका नाम। शाम की माला जपते जपते आप बनी मैं शाम, सांसों की माला पे सिमरूं मैं पीका नाम। सांसों की माला पे सिमरूं मैं पीका नाम। You can sing loudly if you like. You don't have to be proper or anything. Meera was not proper. प्रीतम का कुछ दोष नहीं है, प्रीतम का कुछ दोष नहीं है, प्रीतम का कुछ दोष नहीं है, वो तो है निर्दोष। प्रीतम का कुछ दोष नहीं है, वो तो है निर्दोष, वो तो है निर्दोष। अपने आप से बातें करके हो गई मैं बदनाम, सांसों की माला पे सिमरूं मैं पीका नाम। अपने आप से बातें करके हो गई मैं बदनाम, सांसों की माला पे सिमरूं मैं पीका नाम। सांसों की माला पे सिमरूं मैं पीका नाम। प्रेम पियाला जब से पिया है, प्रेम पियाला जब से पिया है, प्रेम पियाला जब से पिया है, जी का है ये हाल। प्रेम पियाला जब से पिया है, जी का है ये हाल, जी का है ये हाल। अंगारों पे नींद आ जाए, कांटों पर आराम, सांसों की माला पे सिमरूं मैं पीका नाम। अंगारों पे नींद आ जाए, कांटों पर आराम, सांसों की माला पे सिमरूं मैं पीका नाम। सांसों की माला पे सिमरूं मैं पीका नाम। अपने मन की मैं जानूं और पी के मन की राम, सांसों की माला पे सिमरूं मैं पीका नाम। सांसों की माला पे सिमरूं मैं पीका नाम। सांसों की माला पे सिमरूं मैं, सिमरूं मैं, सिमरूं मैं पीका नाम। So I will share two more songs. This next song is also about practice. What is the way to practice? It's not just surrender, letting go, and all this bhakti. There is a path and there is a rigorous practice. So she says, Tharo kumbh nahi chalkaye, hadi re chalo panihari. So she is using the figure of the panihari, the woman who brings the water from the well or from the lake. So she keeps the pot on her head and she walks. And the pot is filled with water. She can talk with her friends, she can do this, she can do that, but her attention is always with the pot. Otherwise, what will happen? It will fall. So just like that, that is the practice. So she says, no water should spill from your pot. Tharo kumbh nahi chalkaye. Hadi re chalo panihari. You have to walk with that level of awareness. You have to walk through life with that level of awareness. No water should spill. Then what is this pot that she is talking about? Kayan ka thara kumbh banya, kai ko jadyo hai jadav. What is this pot made of? And what is the decoration on this pot? Ratan jatan kar rakh jo bai, ant thani ko khai. It's very beautiful and it's very wonderful, and take care of it, but in the end it has to shatter. So what is the pot? Kachi mitti ka kumbh banya. This pot baked from kachi mitti, unbaked clay. Kumbh par jadyo hai jadav. And this pot is very beautiful. No one is denying the beauty of this form, of the human form. Lai re bevdo sagar chaliya wo pai, sagar aughad ghat hai. Now she's going to fill water, but where is she going to fill water? Aughad ghat. That ghat, or that place by the water, those steps by the water, which is not in form. Aughat means without form. So she's going to fill her pot, but she has to go to that place, which is not in form. You can figure out yourself, I'm sure. Because anyway, no one can tell you the way to that formless place. Then she says, Dai re jhakolo baine neer bharyo, sir par liyo hai uthaye. So she fills a pot with one swipe and she puts it on her head. Ramak jhamak kar chal jo, pavna su jhoka khaye. And she's walking beautifully with a pot on her head, but she knows that even a gust of wind can blow it away. Even a strong gust of wind. So we don't know when that gust of wind will come for this pot. So we have to be prepared. Sir ka ghada re thara sir phutya, ठिकरी हुई है हजार. In the end it shatters and it falls into 1,000 pieces. रोती फिरेगा कोई मार गया हेली, लख 84 के माए. And if you don't practice, then again this endless cycle of birth and death and birth and death and birth and death, lakh 84. And endless sorrow and suffering. Then she says, Sasarya mein dukh ghano hai, pihar ka laga hai bhag. Now everyone in the sasural is crying. What is the sasural? And pihar is very happy. This is the sasural, this world. That's the sasural. We are all strangers here. And we have to deal with our sasumas. In your life, your sasuma can be anyone. Some people have wonderful sasumas. We should not demonize sasumas. Someone later will come and... but just as a trope. So she says, now sasural is, there is a lot of sorrow here, but I've left the sasural, I've gone back to Pihar. I've gone back to my mother's house. I've gone back to where I came from. Bhai ho mira ko girdhar milya. I found my girdhar. I found my Hari. Sat Amrapur payo. And I found that land of eternal truth. So just like Kabir, she claims that she has found it. She is not speculating. She is not theorizing. She has experienced, she has found. मन जतन कर राख दो भाई अंत ठनी को खाए है वो हेली बड़ी रे चलो पनिहारी थारो कुंभ नहीं रे छल खाए है वो हेली बड़ी रे चलो पनिहारी काची मिट्टी का थारा कुंभ बनावो एली कुंभ पर जड़ो है जड़ा काची मिट्टी का थारा बनावो एली कुंभ पर जड़ो है जड़ा वो लई रे बेवड़ो सागर चालिया वो भाई लई रे बेवड़ो सागर चालिया वो भाई सागर ओ घट चलो पनिहारी थारो कुंभ नहीं रे छल खाए है वो हेली बड़ी रे चलो पनिहारी ओ दई रे झकोलो भाई भरा वो एली सिर पर लियो है उठा गई रे झकोलो भाई नीर भरा वो एली सिर पर लियो है उठा ओ रमक झमक कर चाल जो भाई रमक झमक कर चाल जो भाई अपना सूझो काम खाए है वो हेली बड़ी रे चलो पनिहारी थारो कुंभ नहीं रे छल खाए है वो हेली बड़ी रे चलो पनिहारी सिर का घड़ा रे थारा सिर फुटाओ एली ठिकरी हुई है अजान सिर का घड़ा रे थारा सिर फुटाओ एली ठिकरी हुई है अजान वो रोती फिरेगा कोई मार गया वो हेली रोती फिरेगा कोई मार गया वो हेली नखरे 84 के माए है वो हेली बड़ी रे चलो पनिहारी थारो कुंभ नहीं रे छल खाए है वो हेली बड़ी रे चलो पनिहारी सासरिया में थारे दुख गणो एली हर का लागा बा सासरिया में थारे दुख गणो एली हर का लागा बार ओ बाई रे मीरा के गिरधर मिल आओ भाई बाई रे मीरा के गिरधर मिल आओ भाई सत अमरापुर आए है वो वेली अड़ी रे चलो So there is a story about Meera when she's wandering around and she's in a village, and there's some very famous saint who comes and puts his camp outside the village with his followers. So everyone in the village is going to meet that very famous saint, and Meera also wants to go and meet with him. So she goes, but she's stopped outside his tent. And the guru says loudly that I am not allowed to meet a woman. I can't meet a woman. So Meera hears this. So then she says loudly in response, she says, I thought in front of Krishna we are all women. We are all female. So he realizes his mistake and he goes and touches her feet and they have a communion with each other. This is a legend. So this is the idea that there is Purush and Prakriti, Shiva and Shakti, and we are all aspiring to that oneness. So we are all at the same level, exactly. There is no male, female, high, low, and all these other divisions that we create. So in this last song that I'll share with you today, Meera goes full Nirgun. So we know the Sagun roop of Meera very well, but in this one she's fully Nirgun. So she says, Heli Mari, oh my friend, she's talking to her friend, talking to herself. Oh Meri Saheli, ini surta ro karno hai bya. This awareness, my attention, my awareness wants to get married. Jodi ka banada na milya. But I can't find the right match. Very difficult to find good boys these days. I've been swiping, nothing is happening. So my attention is also looking, but there is no appropriate match which is happening. Then she says, Heli Mari, oh my friend, milya log hajar, unse to dillado na milya. I met 1,000 people, but the one of my heart, that I didn't meet, that one. Then she says, Heli Mari, Vipat Biraman Bulavjo, Lagna Jachao Heji. So, traditionally, agar ladki ka vivah nahi ho raha hai, if the girl is not getting married, they will call some Brahmin and they will do some puja and to remove the vipatti and all, whatever. So she's throwing down a challenge and she says, call that Brahmin who will remove the vipatti and I challenge him to find the right match and get me married. get my attention married, not her. Her attention wants to get married. Then she says, Heli Mari, oh my friend, छोड़ी दूं आ मामा मोसाल, झुरतो सो छोड़ू परिवार, पिया की लारा हुई जाऊं. I will leave my mother and this whole household and everything here in a trice, in the blink of an eye, if I could find my true beloved. I will not hesitate to leave. Then she says, Heli Mari, चढ़ी जाऊं औघट घाट, काया गढ़ने छेकी जाऊं. So this word औघट, the formless, जो गढ़ने में नहीं है. So she's climbed the formless bank and she's transcended the body. What does that mean? She has had an experience beyond just the mind and the senses. And the experience of Krishna is beyond the mind and the senses. The experience of the divine is beyond the mind and the senses. So she has reached that place, the formless. Then she says, Heli Mari, इनी सुरतारो कर दीनो ब्या, जोड़ी का बनड़ा वहां मिलिया. Now this attention has got married. She has found her right match there, in that formless bank. सत सत बोलिया मीराबाई, गुरु तो मिल्या है रविदास, औरन की मोहे आस नहीं हो जाए. I found my guru who's shown me the path. Now I have no desire for anything else or anyone else. So these two songs are from Malwa. I learned them from Kalu Ramji. All the other songs were from Rajasthan. ए जी सुमिरन की सुध यूं करो, और जो गागर पनिहार, वो हाले डोले सुरत में, और कहे कबीर विचार. I had to bring in a little Kabir at the end. Heli Mari, ini surtaro karno hai vyah, surtaro karno hai vyah, jodi ka banda na milya ho ji. ini surtaro karno hai vyah, jodi ka banda na milya ho ji. Heli Mari, मिल्या मिल्या लोग हजार, मिल्या मिल्या लोग हजार, उनसे तो दिलड़ो ना मिलो जी. मिल्या मिल्या लोग हजार, उनसे तो दिलड़ो ना मिलो जी. Heli Mari, विपत विरामन बुलाव जो, विपत विरामन बुलाई ने, लगना जचाओ ओरे हो जी. परिवार, पिया की लारा हुई जाऊं आओ जी। झुर तो सो छोड़ूं परिवार, पिया की लारा हुई जाऊं आओ जी। गेली मारी चढ़ी जाऊं आयो घाट घाट, चढ़ी जाऊं आयो घाट घाट, काया गढ़ने छिकी जाऊं आओ जी। चढ़ी जाऊं आयो घाट घाट, काया गढ़ने छिकी जाऊं आओ जी। गेली मारी खुला है 10वां दुआर, खुला है 10वां दुआर, साहिब जी से जाई मिलूं वहाँ हो जी। खुला है 10वां दुआर, साहिब जी से जाई मिलूं वहाँ हो जी। गेली मारी इनी सुर तारो कर दीनो ज्ञान, सुर तारो कर दीनो ज्ञान, जोड़ी का बनड़ावा मिलया हो जी। इनी सुरता रो कर दीनो ज्ञान, जोड़ी का बनड़ावा मिलया हो जी। सुन रिहेली सत सत बोलिया मीरा माई, गुरु तो मिला है रविदास, औरन की मोहयास नहीं हो जी। गुरु तो मिला है रविदास,